Josh, the Young Science Whiz, is back for another experiment, and today I will be doing a dry ice geyser. So I have some dry ice in here, and I have like a lid right here. There's a tiny hole right over there. And so I'm going to pour some hot water into it, and then I'm going to quickly put this on. So let's do that. Okay. Let's just do that. And let's pour. Let's just pour it out. Let's put that on. And now it's like a geyser. So crazy. Oh, it's a nice feeling. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, yes. Oh, and then there's this little hole in the back right here. It has stuff coming out, too. Okay, well, I hope you liked that short experiment. Young Science is out.